Okay, I'm going to make a short video here showing how I took this Golden Mate Orion 1000 LifePo4 battery and turned it into a power station. It's a 100 amp hour battery. I was able to grab it for $190 last fall on Black Friday. It's got its own monitor right there. And I thought, well, why not turn it into a power station? It'll wind up being a heck of a lot cheaper than buying an actual power station. I already have one power station plus a 300 amp hour Radiodio battery running backup for the house if I need it, but I like to have a second one here backup. So here's what I did. I added a few things here. 12 volt outlet, Anderson connector. The Anderson connector allows me to use my Radiodio smart charger. It's a 40 amp smart charger, and it allows me to plug right in there, and I can charge, well, I charge my 300 amp hour battery with it. I can also charge this with it. I also have some Dokio panels with the clips, so you can always pop these plastic jobbies off and just clip onto the battery if you want to charge it that way. Most important thing is what's on the back side here. 800 watt inverter. It's got two USBs and two 120 plug-ins. Put it on with a ratchet strap. It's nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. I didn't drill any holes in the waterproof case. I didn't use any double-sided tape, nothing like that. It worked out really well just using a ratchet strap. It's slightly bulkier than it was before, but it's really not a big deal. I did not want to hardwire the inverter into it because I want to be able to use the inverter in a pinch for something else. So I just got the clips clipped onto the handle. You still get 3 fingers on it without a problem, so you can still carry it around. Not an issue. So what we do when we have an extended power outage is I have an S1500 Pecron power station. Plug the fridge and the chest freezer into that. They'll go 15 hours on that. My Radiodio 300 amp hour system is running the house through the panel, and when that gets down, that battery goes down a little bit, I take the charger, turn the inverter on, plug into there, and I can put another 100 amps back into the Radiodio using this battery here. So that gives me 400 amp hours total, which allows us to go about 10 hours before we have to break down and fire up the generator for a while and charge everything back up. The 40 amp charger runs at 535 watts, so this 800 watt inverter is plenty for that, and that's really the biggest draw that I put on this thing. Alright, that's it. It turned out to be an excellent project. It works well. It's cost a hell of a lot less than buying a real power station, and we use it for camping as well. My wife is on oxygen, so I have to keep an oxygen concentrator running 24 hours a day out there. The one she sleeps with runs at 115 watts. So, you know, a good night's sleep is about 1,000 watt hours to run that thing all night. So what I do is I use this, plug into the inverter. I don't have to worry about draining my big house batteries. All right, that's it.